You opened YouTube to learn something. You saved a video for later. Then, another. The queue grew. 47 saved. 9 watched. 2 actually remembered. A week later.
Teachers teach, but who's really learning? And who is just watching?
The problem isn't attention. Videos are raw material. They are not learning. Coursified adds the 5 things every course needs: structure, progression, checkpoints, retention, and a certificate that proves mastery. Learners get content that actually teaches with recall built in and a real credential at the end. Teachers see what's stuck, not view counts. Real retention, per student, per concept. Coursify it. Then get certified, starting with YouTube, because that's where learning actually begins. Coursified.app